Alright, what's up guys? So today we are going to get my truck retuned finally. I have finally hidden the braking period and it is finally time to get it retuned. Oh, you guys hear that? Okay, anyways, yeah, hopefully we could get this speedometer situation sorted out and yeah, squeeze some more power out of it. So yeah guys, stay tuned. All right, now we're at the gas station. We're gonna get some juice in here. 91 fresh 91 Mark 29. It's not going any lower, so that's unfortunate, but yeah. All right, let's get going. All right, so here we are with the laptop. It's about to go down. All right, so today did not go as planned. Well, thankfully this time it's not on my end of things, but my tuner was having issues with his computer software, with HP tuners. So yeah, unfortunately, we were not able to get my truck retuned today. Hopefully he can get that squared away. But yeah. Yeah, that's what happened today. So yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. Yeah, more like 40. All right, let's go get that shift boot installed. Well, it is finally not gonna look ghetto anymore, and it's gonna look proper with the shift boot, and the cup holders, and now it's gonna look aesthetically pleasing. Sorry, I can't speak right now. All right, see how it sounds like. Oh yeah. So guys, I have a tune update. Unfortunately, my friend is not going to be able to tune it for me. He doesn't really tune anymore. He used to tune a lot, but now he doesn't really do it anymore. He would only do it rarely, on certain occasions. Unfortunately, his HP tuner's device took a crap on him, and since he doesn't tune it anymore, I mean, there's no point for him to get a new one. So yeah, I am gonna go get tuned elsewhere. I'm gonna go get tuned with the one and only Whipple T71. He tunes a lot of the fast trucks up here in Northern California, like the original Mike D and others. But yeah, he's definitely a reputable tuner, and I cannot wait to see how my truck is gonna run with a tune from him. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun video. we got the remote shifter out, and now it is time to relocate the bracket. I am gonna weld now. Mind you, I haven't welded in like 5 years, so let's see how they come out. All right, so here it is. Here is the bracket. Here are my welds. So, yeah. All right, so we finally have the shift boot on. The truck finally looks complete. So, all right, let's drive it now. Right, and now we're gonna go do the alignment to the truck, because as you guys can see, it's running a little crooked. All right, let's go do the alignment. Here we are, cruising at like 55 miles an hour at 1500 RPM. All right, let me try to downshift right now while recording. After this car passes, all right, let's go. Yeah, it needs an alignment, as you guys can see. All right. Yeah, we're going about 40 miles an hour. Damn, that's hard with one hand. All right, I gotta stop. There you go. All 6 gears. Yeah, this truck is very smooth. I love it. It's a blast to drive. All right, and we are here at the alignment shop. I'm putting this cover on because, you know, as you guys know, Alcantara is pretty easy to ruin. And I mean, I'm sure a lot of people are not aware how easy it is to stain and stuff. So, yeah. Oh, what do they have over there? S10 with the Cam V8, it sounds like. Oh. Alright, it is finally my turn. There it is, the alignment rack. Well, I was here for a few hours, all for them to just tell me that my truck needs lower front gel ball joints, upper front control arm, inner tie rod. So, yeah. Alright, so it's a few days later. I ended up getting all the parts the day after. I went to the tire shop, and today we're gonna install them. So yeah, hopefully that goes smooth. Fingers crossed. And yeah, can't wait to get this truck running, right? Because yeah, these are definitely long overdue. All right, it is all off now on this side. Now time to put everything back on. Well, as you guys can see, we got the stuff done. Now I just need an alignment real bad. And we'll be ready to take the truck to Whip Z71 so he could put his magic sauce in it. So yeah, I cannot wait for this truck to be all buttoned up finally. So yeah, that is where it is standing as of right now. So yeah, I can tell that the truck significantly rides better than what it used to. It used to be kind of bumpy on the back roads, but now it's taking it like a champ. It feels like a normal car. So yeah, that definitely did solve an issue. So yeah, that's where we're at now. That is going to conclude today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Also, like, share, comment. Give me your input, your thoughts on the truck so far. What kinds of videos would you like to see me do with this setup? I know there's a lot of questions out there. So yeah, go ahead. Feel free to comment. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Let's shift. Fifth and sixth. All right. As I was saying, follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Same thing at Andre Garcia 5.0. So yeah. Speaking about TikTok, one of my videos actually went pretty viral recently today. It currently has 280,000 views. Holy cow, that is unbelievable. I would have that's actually mind blowing. And I am at 3,700 followers, which unfortunately surpassed my YouTube subscribers, but don't worry, we'll get there here too. But yeah, 280,000 views in 24 hours. So yeah, let's hope we can do numbers like that on YouTube someday. But yeah, that is insane. So yeah, I'll leave you guys on that note. And yeah, like I said, like, share, subscribe, and you guys have a good one. And stay tuned for the next video. You guys will not want to miss it. All right, guys, peace out.